Hello guys, this is the first lesson of Urdu language. We will learn Urdu alphabets one by one. Urdu language has 40 letters and we are gonna get through all of them one by one. So without wasting time, let's start our first lesson, and the first letter is Alif. Alif. It sounds like A in English. The second one is Alif Mad A. Alif Mad A. It sounds like double A in English, and it has a symbol on it. It makes double A in English. Alif Mad A. The third one is Bay. Bay. It sounds B in English. Then Pe. Pe. It sounds P in English. It has 3 dots. Next, Te. Te. It sounds T in English. Te. Te. It sounds double T in English. It has a symbol, not dots. Actually, it's not a symbol, it's a letter in Urdu, but it's used very small on the letters. That's why it makes a sound, a heavy sound. It makes a heavy sound, but the other one, te, is soft. Se. Se. It sounds S in English. Jim. Jim. It sounds J in English. Che. Che. It's like CH in English. He. He. It's H in English. Khe. Khe. It's like KH or X in English. Like it makes kh sound. Not k, it's kh. Khe. Dal. Dal. It's like D in English. Dal. Dal. It's double D. It's a heavy dal. The first one, it's dal. It's soft. And the second one, dal. It's heavy. Zal. Zal. It's like Z in English. Re. Re. It's R in English. Re. Re. It's double R. It's heavy. Z. Z. J. J. Sin. Sin. Shin. Shin. It's like SH in English. Swat. Swat. It's like S also in English. Dwat. Dwat. It's also like Z in English. Toy. Toy. It's Te. Zoy. Zoy. It's also like Z in English. Ain. Ain. In English, it's like E. Ghain. Ghain. It is like GH or G, but it sounds like G. Ghain. Okay, not G. It's not G, it's Ghain. G. Fa. Fa. It sounds F in English. Qaf. Qaf. It sounds Q in English. It's not K. It's K. K. Kaf. Kaf. It's like K in English. Gaf. Gaf. It's G in English. Lam. Lam. It's like L in English. Mim. Mim. It sounds M. Noon. Noon. It sounds N in English. Noon ghunna. Noon ghunna. It makes the sound of soft N. It's used at the last of the word. Sometimes it's used the last of the words, and it doesn't make any sound actually, but when you write it, it's just like it makes a soft noon. It makes soft N. It doesn't have any dot. Wow. Wow. It's W. Hamza. Hamza. A. Ha. There are two kinds of ha. Both have the same sound of H, but ha, this one is soft, and the second one, ha, is heavy. It just have the difference of soft and heavy sounds. Yeah. Yeah. This is choti ye. It means small ye. And the second one is badi ye, big ye. Ye, the sound of Y.